Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a transparent background in Alight Motion. To create a transparent background in Alight Motion, first of all open the Alight Motion application and make sure that you are working on this transparent background option whenever you are opening up a new project or the layer you are trying to work on. Now go ahead and add any animations. I'm just gonna add this not very perfect animation on the screen for now in order to show it to you. Go ahead and make any kind of a necessary edit for your project or your layer, and after you are done, click on the export icon at the top right corner. Under export and share, make sure that you choose the current frame as PNG option and tap on export. Right after you do that, save your changes by clicking on save, and if you go to your device's gallery and open up the new project, you will now be able to see that the background is transparent. So that is how you can make transparent background in Alight Motion. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.